Visit us at Eduvvo. Thank you for calling Eduvvo.
Android Studio, or you're not on Windows, just skip to the next lecture. So just go to Google and search for Android Studio download, and you should find that the top result is this one here. So it's developer.android.com/studio/index.html, and this will take you to the page to download the latest version of Android Studio, which at the time of recording is 3.0.1. So just click the green button to download Android Studio, agree to the terms and conditions, and then Android Studio should start downloading. It's a pretty big file, so you might want to go off and get a quick cup of tea. All done? Excellent. You can now click Run to open up the Android Studio installation program. You'll need to allow the app to make changes to your device. Choose the installation folder. I'd go for the default. If you've got an older version, it'll ask to overwrite it. So just click Yes. You'll very likely need Android virtual devices to follow along with this course, so keep that option selected and click Next. And again, choose the final installation options. I'll just stick with all of the defaults and then let it do its thing. Once that's completed, click Next and Finish to start Android Studio. And then you'll be greeted with the setup wizard. So we're not quite there yet, but again, we'll just stick to the very standard options. So essentially just keep clicking Next, install the default components, click Finish, and then you'll have another bit of a wait while it downloads the necessary components to run. And then we're done. So just click Finish, and now we're ready to finally learn Android development, which